So, Bureau Veritas is a leading testing, inspection, and certification company, and we have been involved in the certification of health systems, quality systems all over the world. It's in line with this that under the COVID-19 pandemic, we are able to offer our clients safety protocols, work with them to synthesize all the checklists and all the regulations, customize these to the specific business sectors. So what we have done is to work with the global experts to have the best checklists with best practices, and we try to help our clients adopt this, monitor this through along the lines, have the facilities audited. After that, we grant our renowned safeguard level.